It's time for a peanut butter Kong. Oh, you're gonna sit for it, huh? Okay, here you go. Give it a lick. Oh yeah, come on, let's go. Right over here. Okay. There you go. Enjoy. She loves her peanut butter cookie filled Kong. Whoa, look at that face. The peanut butter lick. Gotta love it. Yeah. Have fun, Zulu.